What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another light painting video. In this one, I'm showing you how to light paint with your cell phone. For this one, I'm using my cell phone that I use every single day. It is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. To light paint on my cell phone, I have to use an app, and the app that I'm using is called Slow Shutter Cam. A couple things that I love about it is that number one, it allows you to light paint with your cell phone and create some pretty good quality results. Secondarily, what I love about it is it allows you to light paint in much brighter conditions like this than you normally could, because the way the app works is it does basically a live composite feature, building the image over time, only adding in any additional light that you as the light painter add into the image. So for this one, I'm gonna light paint the word love on the picnic table. I'm using the piece of grass on there. I'm using the diamond plexiglass from Light Painting Brushes to write out love. The settings that I'm using in the Slow Shutter Cam app on my iPhone, we're on the light trails mode. I use full light sensitivity. I set the exposure time to bulb, set the ISO all the way as low as it would go, down to 32. That's pretty much it. Again, the app is super cool because it builds the image live. I'm gonna do a screen recording on the phone so you can see it being built, and I'll show you what I get. Here we go. So it is literally that easy to light paint with your cell phone using the Slow Shutter Cam app. As you'll see, you can kind of see my face in there a little bit in that image. Obviously that's because it's still kind of bright out here, so the app is going to pick up any additional light that's in the image. So the same rules apply with light painting with this app. You want to wear dark clothing. Any light that you shine onto yourself is obviously going to get picked up by the camera. And very important is that you want to have a tripod. So I just have a little phone tripod here. It's 20 bucks on Amazon, but you definitely want to use a tripod with this app when you're light painting with your phone. The other really cool thing about that app is that I could actually stop that exposure, look at it, and then if I wanted to go back and add something to that image, I can start that exposure over, that same exposure over, come back in and add more light to that image. Again, in that live composite mode, making light painting super easy on your iPhone with the Slow Shutter Cam app. I am not getting paid. I'm not endorsing Slow Shutter Cam or anything like that. I just think it's a great app. It really opens up light painting with your cell phone. I think the image quality is pretty good. Not obviously as good as the DSLR, but it comes out pretty damn good. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up down below. Any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. I'll answer anything that I can. As always, thank you guys very much for the support. And until the next video, get out there and get creative.